Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to export Excel data to text file. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So this data I'm going to export to text file. So go to the file tab and click on the export option, then click on the third option, change file type. Then here in other file tab, select the text file type. Then click on the save option and here you can see the save as dialog box is open. Then select the destination where you want to save this file. So I select here the desktop. After that, you can change here the file name. So I just simply edit here the file name, sales data. Okay. And the save as a file type here automatically selected text file. Okay. Then click on the save and that's it. Just go to the desktop and here you can see your text file is ready. Simply double click on it to open this text file and here you can see your data is here. Okay. This is a way you can easily export Excel data to text file. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.